your destination for the latest in tech innovation, in-depth reviews, and all things cutting edge. Today, we're diving deep into what could become a game-changer in the world of 360-degree cameras, the Insta360 X5. With its anticipated release, in late 2025, the X5 is already generating serious buzz across the tech and creator communities. The big question on everyone's mind: can the Insta360 X5 become the new king of immersive content creation? The evolution of 360 cameras, a new era. Dawn's 360-degree cameras have evolved rapidly in the past few years. No longer niche tools for VR creators, these cameras are now essential gear for adventurers, vloggers, sports enthusiasts, and even commercial filmmakers. With competition heating up from GoPro's upcoming Max 2, DJI's rumored 360 offering, and new entries from smaller but innovative startups, Insta360 needs to deliver a knockout punch. After setting a high benchmark with the Insta360 X4, known for its 8K video capture, smooth AI stabilization, and refined usability, the X5 must not only meet expectations, but exceed them dramatically. Early leaks and insider insights suggest that Insta360 is gearing up to do just that. Bigger sensor, brighter future, a quantum leap in image quality. One of the most heavily rumored upgrades for the Insta360 X5 is a larger image sensor. The X4's 1:2 sensor delivered excellent image quality, including 70 under photos, but performance under low-light conditions and in high-contrast scenes left room for improvement. Whispers in the industry point to the X5 sporting either a 1-inch sensor or a 2 to 3-inch stacked CMOS sensor. That would put it on par with professional compact cameras like the Sony RX02 and Insta360's own 1-inch edition of the 1R series. This potential enhancement could bring superior low-light capability, perfect for creators filming sunsets, concerts, or dimly lit indoor settings. Improved color depth and accuracy, ideal for those aiming to capture more cinematic visuals. Reduced noise, especially in night shots or shaded environments. Better dynamic range, offering sharper contrast between bright skies and darker foregrounds. For professionals who rely on cropping footage for standard 16:9 content or vertical clips for TikTok and Instagram Reels, this sensor bump would be a major upgrade. Sharper crops with less pixelation mean content remains clean and crisp, vital for modern multi-platform creators. Goodbye. Pixelation, the quest for true 8K quality. While it's unlikely Insta360 will leap to 10K resolution due to file size limitations and hardware constraints, the company is reportedly focusing on refining 8K output. By using enhanced compression algorithms and improved pixel sharpness, the X5 could deliver better detail retention, making 8K content look closer to cinema-grade quality. For YouTubers, travel vloggers, and digital marketers producing high-resolution, storytelling content, this makes the Insta360 X5 a serious contender in the semi-pro videography arena. A revolution in audio, studio-grade sound in a pocket device? Audio quality has always been a weak point for action and 360 cameras. The X4 attempted to address this with wind reduction and basic voice recognition, but muffled dialogue and overwhelming ambient noise remained problematic. Enter the Insta360 X5. According to leaks and speculation, Insta360 is working on a multi-mic array with directional audio capture, isolating voices from background chaos. Perfect for on-the-go interviews or vlogging while skiing or biking. AI-driven noise reduction, similar to what you'd find on flagship smartphones. This could intelligently suppress wind, traffic, and echo without the need for post-production software. Most excitingly, Bluetooth microphone support. If Insta360 enables external mic pairing, creators could use lapel or shotgun mics directly with the X5. This feature could finally put the Insta360 X5 on par with DSLR-level sound setups. Combining high-quality audio and immersive 360 visuals would make the X5 a dream device for documentarians, journalists, and commercial content creators. Built for the elements, better protection, smarter lenses. One of the biggest concerns with 360 cameras is the fragility of the dual fisheye lenses. Even with the X4's protective lens guards, users have reported cracked glass and annoying glare under certain lighting. To counter this, the X5 may introduce tempered glass with anti-reflective coating, similar to flagship smartphones like the iPhone or Galaxy Ultra series, a self-healing polymer coating which uses body heat or sunlight to gradually erase minor scratches. Yes, like magic. Possibly even a retractable lens shield for added protection during travel. Add to that an enhanced IP waterproof rating, and the X5 could go from mountaintops to underwater caves with no additional housing. Perfect for adventurers and travel. Vloggers.gps is back and better than ever. One of the most requested features from Insta360 fans is built-in GPS tracking. While GoPro revived it in the Hero 13 Black, Insta360 has been lagging behind. That could change with the X5, which is expected to integrate onboard GPS and telemetry sensors. Benefits would include geo-tagged video content for mapping adventures or virtual tours. Overlay graphics for speed, distance, altitude, ideal for cycling, snowboarding, or kayaking. Smarter editing tools within the Insta360 app, including automatic location-based storytelling. In the age of data-rich, immersive content, GPS opens the door for interactive storytelling, AR, VR compatibility, and more engaging footage for social media and clients. Smarter power and better cooling. Say goodbye to overheating as 360 cameras have pushed toward higher resolution. One issue has become painfully clear: overheating. Shooting at 8K for extended periods often forces current-gen devices into cooldown mode, killing the vibe mid-shot. With the X5, we might see a 2000 mAh or more battery, up from the X4's 1800 mAh cell. Next-gen chipsets that prioritize energy efficiency. Most notably, vapor chamber cooling, a tech used in gaming smartphones like the Asus ROG Phone. This would allow for continuous 8K shooting without thermal throttling, a groundbreaking achievement in 360 videography. Imagine shooting an entire 8K mountain descent or music festival without worrying about lag, frame drops, or shutdowns. Revolutionary software features. Smarter, smoother, more cinematic. The X5 is also expected to usher in major software improvements. Insta360's flow state stabilization already sets the standard, but what's coming next might blow the competition away. Rumored upgrades include AI-powered horizon lock, keeping the frame level even during wild tilts. Awesome for biking, skating, or roller coaster footage. Real-time in-camera stitching, eliminating the delay from post-processing and speeding up your workflow. Next-gen auto-frame AI that not only follows motion, but recognizes faces, emotions, and composition cues to generate highlight reels. This could massively benefit influencers, travel creators, and event shooters. With these enhancements, even first-time users could produce cinematic edits with minimal effort. Price, positioning, and value. Insta360's X4 launched at $499, hitting the sweet spot for enthusiasts and semi-pros. However, the X5 is rumored to come in at around $599 to $649, depending on bundle options and accessory availability. GoPro's Max 2 is expected to hit $699 plus DJI's rumored 360 cam may exceed $750, and the X5's added features, like audio upgrades, larger sensor, and better stabilization, justify the price hike. To sweeten the deal, Insta360 may launch accessory bundles including lens protectors or custom cases, trade-in programs for existing X3 and X4 owners, creator-focused kits with mounts, tripods, and external mic accessories. This strategy could solidify brand loyalty while appealing to prosumers and content creators seeking a one-stop solution. Final thoughts. Insta360 X5, not just the next step, but a giant leap. The Insta360 X5 isn't shaping up to be just another iteration. It looks like a complete reimagining of what a 360 camera can be, with improvements across image quality, audio fidelity, durability, AI-driven editing, and workflow optimization. The X5 could dominate not just in action sports or travel, but in filmmaking, journalism, tourism, and digital marketing.